Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, and the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I don't know why I always forget that. All right, I went to Red Robin to have a double hamburger, French fries, wings. Forget what the wings were, but whatever the sauce was, make my nose run like a track meet. It wasn't hot; it just made my nose run. And a salad and a root beer. I had a gift certificate from them because I got a bad meal experience there the last time. So I've come to the conclusion I'm not going to go to Red Robin again. The thing charged me for the meal and then didn't charge me, and I couldn't figure it out. They got this automated thing. I signed for it, that's all I know. Left a tip. All right, it is time. And in a minute, I'll have Bergen Boxing. And by the way, I've got the screenshot to show it. Analytics has not worked right for 4 weeks. I know from the trends that I should have hit 1 million views by now. And they keep saying we're working to fix this. They are missing views from January 1st, 2017 to last year in June, and their current views, subscribers, and estimated revenue are not accurate. So anybody who says I've got so many views has no idea what they're talking about, because everybody's in the same boat until they fix this. They're pushing this new studio and getting rid of Studio Classic, and the new studio is like new Coke. It sucks. It doesn't work right, and they need to keep it classic. Go with what works. All right, this is 1, 2, 3. It is time for coin roll hunting. I know he's already in shock. The loser from 3 kitty beds, and when I go out Monday, I will go see about getting another kitty bed for Cleo or Caesar, and that will mean 4 kitty beds in 1 week, and I don't think his system can handle it. His heart will probably explode as he dislikes me getting kitty beds for my kitties, and I put a warm towel in the bed this morning, and little girl slept on it. Finally, she slept in it for a long time, so she likes her kitty bed. All right, here we go. And I'm not going to screw it using a knife because I'm too tired. I've been running around. I got running around on Tuesday to do and running around tomorrow to do. I mistook the dates for the camera, so I'm going to get that probably on Tuesday. And the next week I'm going out with Kathy. Last year, Kathy's going to come here and you'll get to see Kathy. And by the way, Caesar the cat is weird. He not only drinks coffee, he eats spaghetti. And I told her we got to get a camera and start filming this. It would get a lot of views. Silly cat. All right, here's the first batch. Nothing. And I need to do more laundry. I'm going to keep doing laundry till I run out of quarters. So, okay. Nothing in here. And I still believe all these coin roll hunting things are salted. Every one of them are fake. Okay, nothing in here. Nothing there. That's roll 1, but that's all right. I did two loads of laundry this morning. I put down a nice warm hospital blanket that I found in the parking space. Put put Shout on it. It worked. It cleaned it. And Mama Cat and Kitten now have a nice warm blanket to sleep on. I'm very happy about that. I love my Mama Cat and Kitten. All right, here's the next roll. And there is absolutely nothing here. So, and I washed my Steelers blanket. I think there's no hope for it. It's been washed repeatedly. It keeps getting all kinds of things from the outside. The burrs, the cats drag in, and strange threads. And when I wash them from, I guess, other people's laundry, I don't know. So, I'm dropping quarters here. Okay, the last roll. Let's see what's in here. Okay, nothing. Nothing. I don't know what boxes they're finding all this silver in, or rolls, but it ain't any I ever get from the bank. Nothing. And the last roll, and there is nothing. All right, that's it. $30, no silver. The fog comes off the island and all the pirates die. It's the game we play on Lucky Farrell's live chat. Okay, there goes the wrappers. I will use that for laundry. Be doing a lot of laundry this weekend, trying to get it out. All right, next is the very heavy and very unpopular with me because I got to lift it. Berg Unboxing Amazon box, so you'll see that in a minute. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Never accept any word if it doesn't come from me because they make stuff up all the time. And later on, after I've fed the cats and have a nap, I will eat my peach pie in front of you. Maybe I should be a complete pig and eat the entire thing at once. No, I'm full from dinner, so I'm not going to do that. One day I'll get ice cream. Go with the pie. Not the same without ice cream. All right. By the way, I tried to get on the internet with this Fire device, and it said all the applications are expired, which is weird. So I don't have enough time to look at that. Sitting in there in the mall, and it says Sun Valley Mall security for their Wi-Fi is not secure, and yet I never had a problem with my iPad or my MacBook. So I don't know what they're talking about. That's why I go Apple products. And they wouldn't even let me get my Gmail. Well, we're investigating to see if it's you because we don't recognize the device. Yet that device has been on the internet and here before, so I can't figure it out. All right, have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It is 6:35 in the, or what is it? No, 7:35. I can't see where the damn. 7:35 in the evening. It's not really cold out there. It's just sort of like, and my nose is still running. Stay warm and dry, people. Have fun, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.